Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about Stork Airdrop. We will teach you how to join Stork Airdrop, how to install Stork Chrome extension, how to turn on verification, and finally how to play Find Storkie game step by step. So if you are really interested, keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, welcome to our YouTube channel where we teach you how to make money online for free. So if you are ready, let's get started. Hello and welcome back. If you want to join this airdrop, we need to use Mysis browser, because it has a great feature that allows you to use Chrome extensions on mobile phone. So let's open Mysis browser and type in the search bar Chrome extensions. Click on the first website. Then you will land on this page. Just zoom in a little bit and type into the search bar Stork. They will show you a list of results, so make sure to click on the first extension, which is Stork Verify. Then you will land on Stork Verify page, and if you want to add this extension to your browser, click on the blue button on the top right corner, which is Add to Chrome. They will show you this message, so click on OK and wait until it's completely installed. Now click on the extension icon on top of the screen, and as you see, we have successfully installed Stork Verify extension. Now click on this extension. They will show you this message. Click on Join the network. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to type in your email address, a password, confirm the password again, and for the referral code you can use this one that appears on the screen in front of you, or you can find the same referral code down below in the description box. So copy and paste it here in the last box, and then click on Create Account. At this point, sometimes they will show you an error message which is too many requests. In that case, turn on any kind of VPN and repeat the same process again. Then you will land on the home page of Stork Airdrop, and as you see, they show me this message, which is verification off. And to turn on the verification, just click on this icon. Okay, make sure to turn on this verification. Now let's talk about the Find Storkie game. So click on those three lines on the top right corner. Then choose Games. Then you will land on this page. This is a game called Find Storkie. You need to draw a box around a bird called Storkie. That box should contain the full picture of this bird without any kind of additions. So try to make it as perfect as you can. Now let me show you how to play this game. And when you finish, click on submit. And if you did it correctly, they will show you this message, which is correct. Underneath it, they will show you some statistics about this game. And at the bottom, they will show you this countdown. You have the chance to play this game every 6 hours. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about Stork Airdrop. Make sure to install the extension and turn it on as I showed you before. Also try to play the Find Storkie game as much as you can, because it will increase your airdrop allocation at the end. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. See you soon guys. Good luck.